Oh, there you are.
Cool. Okay, morning. This is Tom Woodall's ESL Level 3 and 4. It's Wednesday, October the 10th, 2012. Today we're going to talk about positive and negative. Positive and negative are one of the dichotomies we study, and I want to talk about, so we mark it with a plus and a minus. When we look at the language, almost everything is viewed as a positive or a negative. There's two kinds of positives and negatives. There's the grammar positive. Just let it sit.
Okay.
And the connotation. Okay, connotation, grammar is the structure of the sentence. And the connotation is the meaning. Okay, connotation is the meaning. So when we talk about the two different ways of looking at it, we're saying, what does the sentence look like? Because the sentence between a positive sentence, the grammar for a positive sentence is different than the grammar for a negative sentence. Okay? So that's why we want to talk about the two things. But you can have, the meaning can be negative, but still be in a positive grammar. That's where we get some confusion. Example. I like onions. We know onions, right? Good onions, right? I like onions. Okay? So this is positive. Right?
I don't like onions.
I don't like onions. Negative, right? I like onions, I don't like onions. Okay, so what is the grammar? The grammar is the subject, the verb, and the object. Right?
Bless you.
So the object relates to the verb, the subject relates to the verb. The verb is the center. Now, the negative, we have the subject, do, plus not, the negative, plus the verb, plus the object. So, the grammar changes with the do. Interesting thing happens here. I am ready to learn. I'm ready to learn. Positive, right? I am not ready to
I'm
learn.
not.
Negative.
No.
Grammar. Subject plus be. The verb is be. Ready to learn. we have subject plus be plus not, the negative. So, the grammar for every verb except be, you must use do plus not plus the verb. So I do not like, I do not want, I do not go, I do not have, I do not look, I do not see, I do not drive. Any verb except be. So what is the verb be?
Condition. Or
Right, you're right about the condition. Okay, am, are, is, was, were is be. So anytime you see one of these words, the verb is be. The simple form is be. When we talk about the simple form of am, are, is, it's be. The simple form is the form you will find in the dictionary. If you want to look up is in your dictionary, it's not going to be there because it comes up under be, because the verb is be, or it'll tell you to go look at the verb be. So what does be mean? It's a condition, right? It's a condition. I am happy. You are happy. We are happy. She is happy. He is happy. Everybody's happy, right?
I'm not happy.
Yes, you better smile. Okay.
you smile and you're not.
Okay, so for every verb except be, you must use do plus not, okay? Subject plus do plus not plus the verb. Okay, so if the verb is be, do not use do. Do not use do. If it's be. Subject plus verb plus object. Subject plus do, not, plus the verb, object if you will. The verb be, subject plus be plus object. Use it, we're just gonna go. Subject plus be. Subject plus be plus not. Okay, so the sentence is going to follow this grammar. Any verb except be, you must use do. Any verb except be, you must use do. I like onions. I don't like onions. I do not like onions. I don't, contraction. Subject plus do plus not. Plus the verb, okay, like. I love onions. I don't love onions, okay. I eat onions every day. I don't eat onions ever. I'm ready to learn. You are ready to learn. He is ready to learn. We are ready to learn. You are ready to learn. They are ready to learn. I am not ready to learn. You are not ready to learn. He is not ready to learn. She is not ready to learn. It is not ready to learn. We are not ready to learn. You are not ready to learn. They are not ready to learn. Important thing to remember is when it's the negative, you're speaking, wiggle your head just a little bit. It's very important that the listener hear the negative. And if you're using a contraction, don't. Am not, okay? The listener may not hear that if you're speaking fast. So watch the nose, okay? I like onions. I don't like onions, okay? It's going to move up or down, positive or negative. The head will show positive or negative. So this is the grammar. Next we'll talk about the connotation.